Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing for you and I'm going to do a more detailed video later. I just got back from a Louis Vuitton event. So the receipt is there. This is the perfume set. This is the miniature set and it's the new launch for men. So there are 5 of them in here. This is the code for it, LP0081. And this retails for $240, which is the same price as a 100 milliliter bottle of one of the perfumes. Very similar packaging to the first set, which was for women's, but this one actually says it's for men. Each of them are 0.34 fluid ounce. It's raised here, but it's kind of hard to see with the lighting. So they're 10 milliliters for a total of 50 milliliters. And then there's just some ingredients on the bottom. And this opens the same way as the other miniature set that I got. So you have to find the flap here. So this is the miniature set for men. It has Le Perfume Louis Vuitton on it. And it doesn't have any text on here that says it's for men. But the way you know is actually by the color of the top. Because it's a foil reflective, it might be a little hard to see, but it's like a gunmetal gray. And I do have the original set, the women's. This is gold, but you can see the text is the exact same. It's just that the women's is gold while the men's is a gunmetal gray. There is the set, and also what's different is that this is gray, whereas the women's miniature set is in gold. But these bottles are exactly the same. You have 5 of them. And actually, now that I look at it again, on top the LV stamp is in silver gray, rather than gold, which is what the women. So I guess that's how they're trying to differentiate it, is for the metal foil color, the men's are in silver or a gunmetal gray, and the women's are in a gold color. So this happened to be the first one I pulled out, and I've tried all of them out at the store. This is my favorite one. It's L'Immensité, or L'Immensité. I'm probably not going to try pronouncing all of them in this video. I am going to make a follow-up pretty soon after this to go in more details. I did something like this for the women's when I got the miniature set, and if you're interested in looking at that, I'll link it in this video again. So I'll be doing something very similar to that, where I give a really detailed review on each of the new scents. And this was my favorite one, and this one I felt like was the male counterpart to their newest women's launch. I think it was Le Jour Sieve. I forget exactly, but it's the one that smells like orange blossoms. This one smells orangey and citrusy, but it doesn't have the floral notes. I think it's supposed to have some ginger to it. Like I said, I'm going to do a more detailed, in-depth review of the scent itself. This video is more of just a quick unboxing for you to see the item that I got. So you get all 5 of them. There is a 6th one, but it is supposed to be exclusive to certain countries in the Middle East, but you could potentially order it from your SA. So these are the 5. The men's line is the only one with like a gray colored liquid. You see the liquid is either kind of clear, gray, or yellow, whereas the women's versions, they had a few that were kind of pink and lavender colored. But these are all fairly neutral. And there is one of these, I forget, it's one of the yellower ones. I think it's this one that smells like oud. It's the strongest one. You can smell it from quite a distance away when I tried it. And then I felt like there were a couple that smelled like colognes that are already out there. So you can see this is the receipt. It's $240 plus tax. The code for this is LP0081, and it's a miniature set. And that's my video. Subscribe if you want to know when I'm going to do the detailed review on this. From the date that I publish this, I'm going to do it pretty fast. It's probably going to go up within a week for sure, but probably sooner than that if you're interested in my take on these 5 scents. A more in-depth review of it where I talk about the notes, if it smells like any other colognes that are already out there, and then my subjective rating of each of them. And check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive content. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.